What's up guys, Ryan here. So I wanted to do a Printful sticker review. I had actually released a video a couple weeks back where I talked about how I was selling a sticker on Etsy pretty successfully, but having to drop ship it from Redbubble because really they were the platform I trusted most to fulfill orders that were stickers. And a mere few weeks later, Printful finally released or made available stickers to sellers in the United States. They had been available in Europe for a while, but I was waiting for them to come to the United States. So it looks like their facility in Charlotte, North Carolina fulfills them. I did order a couple samples, which I'm going to show you in this video. If the West Coast or Mexico fulfillment centers are also fulfilling them, I'm not sure because I live on the East Coast, so I got them pretty quickly. I live close to the North Carolina fulfillment center. But anyways, guys, let's get into it. So the first thing I just wanted to show you is what they show up in. So this is the packaging that I received. I ordered 3 different stickers. You could tear off the top here and open them. Within it, I did have a packing slip with my Etsy shop branding. I ordered the samples through my Etsy shop. So you can see, like, I've done a video in the past how you can create like a watermark and put a thank you message if you choose to. Which, by the way, when I had my one-on-one with the Printful CEO, Davis, he said that some savvy people were leveraging the what is it called, packing slip, to try to drive traffic from their Etsy customers. Don't do this on Amazon because that'll get you suspended, but they were doing it on Etsy to try to drive Etsy traffic to their Shopify stores. And it makes a lot of sense if you can convert Etsy customers into your customers, especially now that Etsy's being annoying and trying to get us to pay to drive Google shopping traffic to Etsy. So I think that's, all fair. So let me show you the stickers. All right, so I ordered one of each of these, I believe they're called Kiss Cut adhesive vinyl stickers. And what that means, first of all, Kiss Cut means, and this one I like, this is my sister's Chihuahua. It's just his head, his name's Charlie. But Kiss Cut means that you can, there's essentially a really small border between your design and the edge of the sticker. So like you can see there, it's not just like a whole square, but the sticker is just the essentially a white border that they add in. So when I uploaded this graphic to Printful, I didn't put a white border on the dog's head. They put that in. That's the Kiss Cut. And adhesive vinyl just means vinyl's the printing style, and adhesive means they're stickers. You can put them, I could put it on the wall right here if I wanted to, but I'm not going to mess up my paint. All right, so this was actually the smallest size. This was 3 inches by 3 inches. Depending on the resolution of the graphic you upload, you can go up to 4 inches by 4 inches or 5.5 by 5.5. So the second sticker is just a, what is it, like a polygonal design of a penguin that I got off of a free vector website. So I figured, hey, why not test it out and see how it looks. I think it came pretty good. The colors are a little bit, they're not perfect, but I'm not one to be picky when it comes to stickers. I'm trying to peel it off here so I can show you the sticker itself. It peels off kind of easily. You can kind of see here at the bottom, though, it's, I guess because of the design to get up in between the feet, it wants to pull off the whole sticker from the page, but I got it there. So, looks good, sticks, no problems at all whatsoever. Now I have a nice little rainbow polygonal penguin on my shirt. So this last sticker is the one I was most excited about seeing how it came. So this is the 5.5 by 5.5 inch sticker, and the graphic that I got, again, it was just a free vector file. But when I uploaded it to Printful and selected it, it was basically 2 PNG images saved in the same file. So there was no background connecting them. And the way Printful printed this is 2 stickers. And what I mean by that is, it really is, it's 2 stickers. So even though it came as one cutout, I guess you could say, or one sheet of stickers in the 5 by 5 by 5 by 5, it's actually 2 separate stickers, I guess you could say. And the reason that this is cool is because, like, if you go to Amazon and do a little product research related to stickers, what you'll notice is there are a lot of I guess like the way to put it is like combos. You know, they sell it as sticker sheets of stickers. And if you want to sell sheets of stickers, I mean, this is enough. If you make them, well, you don't even really need to consider what they're going to be printed at. If you sell them only in the 5.5 by 5.5 inch sheets, you could probably fit like up to 10 small stickers on here and sell them as like water bottle stickers or notebook stickers, laptop stickers, etc. I made a water bottle with a bunch of custom stickers for my girlfriend for her most recent birthday, and I had used Redbubble, but essentially, you know, and the way Redbubble sends them, if you've ever ordered from Redbubble, they actually will send you like the sticker, and it's a very small sheet. Whereas with Printful, it looks like we can get away with marketing these as sticker packs. So as you can see here, different stickers from the same sheet of paper. But anyways, guys, I'm excited to see what I can do with the new Printful stickers. I'm especially excited to sell them on Amazon because I think that's a little bit of an untapped niche, the same way that I kind of stumbled luckily upon selling hats on Amazon and have really just been, you know, killing it honestly on Amazon for the last year, selling hats, making 4-figure monthly profits, not just revenue, but profit. And you know, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys and let you know what's working for me, and I think these have a lot of potential. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do some more videos talking about Printful stickers in the near future, and I hope to see you there.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.